Hi all, and welcome to our kitchen. Today we are just finishing up putting these table legs together. We had started it the other night and it turned out I had the wrong screw on this table here, and you can see the table in the back there, the big round marble back there. That was given to me by my sister, and she gave me the screws and all the things, and it turns out I ended up somehow not having enough of some of the screws. So this is what the screw looks like that I needed. I don't know if you're able to see that. And I got some, I went to the local hardware store near our home, and one of the guys that worked there was so helpful to, I brought this in as an example, and they, measured it on the gauge measure, and so we were able to find what I needed. And so these star heads here require, okay, so this is how we're gonna screw them down. Can someone comment down below if they know the proper name for this little tool here? Because see? And then you just gotta tighten it. And then you gotta turn it towards you. And it's gonna be a little stiff, so it can be hard to turn. Let mommy take care of this part. One moment, sweetie. Alright, and then we're gonna just spin it around here.
To the other side.
So these two have their screws in. So it is this specific table takes 1, 2, 3. So it takes 2 up here and 1 down here. And it's actually upside down right now, this whole table. Let me show you. It's actually upside down right now, this whole table. And so it takes the 2 in here and the 1 here. And then when you turn it the right side up, these down at the bottom will screw directly into the table. And I'll show you that as we continue on here. And this is the other leg that was sitting over there waiting on us. Okay, so we've got all 3 down here. Oh no, this one's missing one, so we'll put one in here. But then we've got 3 there and 3 there. So we're gonna go ahead and put our last screw here. And then we will see how it's looking after that. And so this is what it looks like. We turned it over. So now it's standing up.
It looks awesome.
But it's just waiting for the marble head to go. The marble head to go on.
Yeah.
But it's pretty sturdy. Oh my gosh, you should have seen this thing when it was first put together. It all the screws were like in the wrong spot, and the 2 of the screws ended up, like, I guess they were too long and they went through the table. I did not assemble it the first time. And then I got some direction for the second time around and decided, instead of waiting on help, I just...
We put this together.
Okay, well, we're gonna try to put the table on top now.
Yeah.
But actually, we have to turn the table down like this, flat, and then put this on top and screw it down. Okay, so these are the screws. Are these the screws that it came? Yeah, I believe so. Yep. These are the screws, what it looks like that it came with. It's the regular wood screws.
Just screw it in.
And so I bought this one.
It's like a drill.
You can use a drill, a power drill, or a power driver. And I got this here from the local hardware store, and I did not bring a sample, so we are definitely trying this out together, and we're gonna see what happens.
If it falls, it's not the right one.
Well, I believe it's the same size. It looks about, yeah, we should be good to go. But we're gonna try it out, because I needed a whole bunch of these. Let me see, sweetie.
Yeah, we need a whole bunch of
We're gonna
those.
use the screwdriver.
This to screw that. So, let's see how it
We have a
goes.
multi-purpose screwdriver here on hand.
Yep.
We do not have the screw gun on hand today. All right, and now to stand it up. We're done. It's pretty sturdy. Doesn't seem like anything's going anywhere.
Looks like it somewhere. For this, guys, our table is strong now, right? And we can do everything. We can do our work on it. This is what it looks like.